How ParleG started? Let's find out. Mohanlal Dayal was inspired by the Swadeshi movement in 1929. He decided to help by purchasing an old factory in Parle, Mumbai, and starting to make sweets. The orange candy was Parle's debut offering. Biscuits were considered a luxury item at the period, and were imported and consumed by the wealthy and powerful. The British controlled the biscuit market. That was something Mohanalal Dayal decided over to change. He introduced Parle Gluco as a low-cost option for the average person. It was made in India and was created with Indian tastes in mind. As a result, Parle was able to tap into a historically untouched market and appeal to a wide range of Indian consumers. Parle Gluco's popularity grew over time, and in the 1960s, Parle introduced their iconic yellow wrapper and the famous ParleG girl, giving Parle a distinct brand image. In order to cash in on Parle Gluco's fame, dozens of new copycat began using the term Gluco for their own products. Parle was unable to obtain a trademark on the word Gluco, so they renamed the biscuit ParleG and spent heavily on marketing. Fast forward to present, when it comes to selling glucose biscuits, ParleG is one of India's market leaders and has become an iconic part of the Indian lifestyle. If you love this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment.